Today, we're talking about people who snore. Hmm. Somebody looking at me right now. Okay. People that snore. Number one, my mama. Man, when my mom snore, you'll be scared to sleep by her. She'll go. Me, I only snore when I'm really, really tired. When I came from somewhere, I'm really, really tired. I go to sleep for 2 in the morning. I'm really, really tired. Man, let me tell you about my cousin, man. When she snore, it's like a donkey, man. Woo, man. Oh yeah, let me talk about Warmill. When Warmill snore, it was like. I was like, this, that boy breathing? People that snore make you scared. When I was little, always I always care about when people snore. One thing you're supposed to do when people are scared. First, da, 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 da. Take a little bit of water from a cup when they're sleeping in deep sleep. Pour it down their nose and wait. Don't please do not laugh, or you will get the same snore as them. That's what I learned from Haiti, my country. Now, serious? That's some damage. We don't even have a palace no more. How can those people survive when there's no food, no light, no water, no airport? Man, please God, protect them. Protect the rest. Don't let them die. Save them. This little innocent child. Please represent Haiti tomorrow. Go to sleep. Good night. Thank you.